Welcome back. I got a text from my daughter. My check engine light is on. Alright, so now we got to fix her car. Let's see what's going on with this thing. So, 2003 RAV4. We got a p1155 code, which is the air-fuel ratio sensor heater circuit malfunction. So, you call it an oxygen sensor. It's really a wideband oxygen sensor, what they call a air-fuel ratio sensor. Same thing. You got to make sure you buy the right one. Code 1155 refers to bank 2 sensor 1. So bank 1 would be number 1 cylinder. Number 1 cylinder is here. So you would assume that that is the sensor. It is not. If you kind of look underneath, you could see the port coming through from number 2 and number 3 lead down to that one. Bank 1 is going to be that one. So if you have a code 1135, you need to change that sensor. We are going to be changing this one. Bank 2 sensor 2 will be the one all the way down on the bottom. And bank 1 sensor 2 will also be the one all the way down on the bottom. Those are the ones that are come after the catalytic converter. So keep that in mind. This is quite complicated for a 4-cylinder engine to have this many oxygen sensors so close to each other. So don't get them mixed up. Here is the part number for the Denso sensor we will be installing. Comes with a little anti-seize compound. You will need to get a special socket to do this. It allows for the wire to stick through. Now, you can cut the wire off and use a regular socket, but you won't be able to get it back in and get it tight without this special socket. Unplug the sensor. If it wants to come undone. There we go. Put some of the anti-seize compound on. And tighten it back up. Plug it back in and you're all done. For the click. All right, now if this video helped you out, you could help me out by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe. So I can't work for free, you know. Thanks for watching. Get me a 3/4 inch socket, please.
Is there anything in any of the vaccines, you being an infectious disease specialist, is there anything in any of the vaccines that will, can you even say with truth that will hurt people in 10, 20 years? Is that possible to even predict?